Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery on your Nissan Rogue key fob. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Look for a small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. This process is straightforward and saves you a trip to the dealership. Once the key fob is open, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to observe how the old CR2032 battery is positioned, noting its positive and negative sides. Using the tip of your small flathead screwdriver, carefully and gently pry out the old battery. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the internal contacts. This step is crucial for a smooth replacement. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the key fob, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Double-check that it sits snugly in its compartment. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure all the buttons and components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely closed. After reassembling your key fob, it's time to test its functionality. Head over to your Nissan Rogue and try locking and unlocking the doors, as well as using the trunk release button. Confirm that all buttons respond correctly and your vehicle recognizes the key fob signal. If everything works, you've successfully replaced your battery. Also, for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.